Hi, how you doing? This is Hyde from affiliateship.com, and in this video we're going to talk about one of the most important things that you need in your affiliate marketing business in order to generate more traffic, more leads, more sales, and more growth in your business. Okay, so that is basically trust. All right, so to sell any kind of product or service, one of the most important prerequisites, as I mentioned, is to build trust, okay, with the people that you're aiming to sell your products and services to. It's even more important in the online space where you're building an affiliate marketing business, because everyone's behind a computer, right? And we don't know who's real, who's genuine, who's not, who's fake, right? And also people are skeptical, suspicious, and generally well guarded online. Okay, therefore building trust is of utmost importance in your business, so that people learn and know about your business, and that they know that it's genuine. They see it's genuine, and then can potentially help to get they see that you can potentially help them get a result that they're looking for, i.e. in the form of your affiliate marketing recommendations. So building trust can take time as you grow and develop your business, okay? But when it comes to affiliate marketing, I understand that a lot of people are eager, to generate income as soon as possible. And sometimes it can be a bit difficult as you're new and no one, knows you, etc. Difficult building trust, that is. However, there are certain things that you can potentially apply and implement in your business to gain some trust, fairly quickly. And when you're new and you're getting exposure to affiliate landing page and offers, there are a few things I said you can do that in your marketing and your content and all that overall business that will help you build some trust fast. Okay, there's no guarantees, but if you can implement and do the following that we're going to go through, you can surely increase trust levels with your audience much faster. Okay, so number one thing is having your own domain name. A domain name is your unique address on the internet. For example, my website is affiliateship.com, and it is unique and it can be found on the internet from anywhere in the world just by typing the address on the browser. Having your own domain name will help in building trust, because your audience will see that you have your own address on the internet, and it will separate you from everyone else. When you're unique, you stand out and appear more visible, right? And visibility is crucial, because that's how people will discover you. People will find you and enter your world, i.e. your websites, your content, your funnels, etc. Okay, and obviously the affiliate products that you expose them to and promote to them. Okay, so also when you purchase your domain, be sure to purchase an SSL certificate, which we'll cover next. Okay, this is also an important step in trust building, having an SSL certificate. Okay, so if you want to learn more about choosing and getting a domain name, I'll put the whole of what we're going to discuss, the content here in this video, I'm going to put it in article form, so that you can read it and go through the content and click on the links as you read them. Okay, so also there will be an article that you can link to where you can get some more tips and about on choosing a domain name. All right, so number two is make sure your website has an SSL certificate. Okay, that's what we as I mentioned a bit earlier on. SSL certificate. So SSL certificate ensures that all the data that is transmitted from your website is encrypted, so that the information is secure. Okay, so nowadays in many browsers you'll see that you notice at the top of the address bar, if your website has not got an SSL certificate, you'll notice some signs saying not secure or something like that. Okay, which can be concerning when your website visitors are seeing your website, reviewing your website, because they're saying it's saying not secure. So it's not a good look for them. Okay, especially if they're new, they're coming to your website, you don't want them to see stuff like that, right? So the best thing is to have an SSL certificate installed, and this can be easily done by simply purchasing an add-on from the company that you purchase your domain name from. Okay, so number three is have your own proper home on the internet, i.e. your website. Okay, now you may, I don't know if you've read any other articles on my website affiliateship.com, and even watched any videos that I keep on making this very important, this message that you must have your own website when it comes to building affiliate marketing business. Okay, you may be getting advice online that all you need is a landing page, autoresponder, and a funnel. etc., and to get going. Yes, you can do it like that, but you definitely need those components, that's right, as they will play their part in your overall marketing strategy and your affiliate business. But however, having your own website will provide tremendous benefits to your affiliate marketing business, okay, including trust, okay, building trust. So so let's look at some of the benefits actually, why of having your own business, okay, having your own, benefits of having your own website, okay. So number one is build credibility, okay. It's going to help build credibility. You will have instant credibility because your audience will get the view that you have a proper presence on the internet, rather than just 2-3 pages of an opt-in funnel, or affiliate funnel, whatever. Yeah, it will provide more value with the website. You can provide more value. You'll be able to add content to it, provide the content, publish content to your audience, and your audience can read your content, and you can add some resources, help your audience, okay. So you can provide more value by having your own website, okay, because you've got space to add more content and stuff like that. You can grow your search engine exposure, okay. So when you build and grow your website the right way with the great content, you can potentially generate free organic traffic, leads and sales, as search engines like Google, Bing and all that, they will index your website and they will serve it in the search results, so that people can they will come to your website and see your business and everything, okay. So that builds trust as well. Building a long-lasting relationship, okay. So with your website, your customers can communicate with you through contact forms. They read and engage with your content, which you can tell them about, with your autoresponder, communicate using your autoresponder, sending emails, and you build your relationship, you nurture that relationship, okay, with your audience, okay. So full control of online presence, okay. So with your own website, you will have full control over what you want to publish on your website, okay. So let's say, for example, you have a social media website, okay, so, like Facebook profile or whatever, Facebook page, okay, and you just rely on that. And with Facebook, it's very limited to what you can post and this and that. They've got loads of restrictions. Not only that, it's a third-party platform, okay. It's not your platform. They can easily shut you down tomorrow, for whatever reason, complaints or whatever, and that's it. You're done with it, okay. Whereas, so let's say you're building all that content on Facebook and this and that, and you're building up a nice page full of content, engagement or whatever, and then suddenly Facebook shut you down. Then you're done for, aren't you? Because you worked all hard, building that content over a period of time, and now you're done because they banned you for whatever reason. They suspended your page or whatever. Yeah. Whereas if you have your own website and publish all that content on your own website, no one can do anything, okay. As long as it's genuine, legit, and ethical, non-hate offensive data, you're good, okay. No one can shut you down. It's your own website and you have full control, okay. What you can do is post your stuff here. You can have a Facebook presence, that's good. It's good to have more presence, social media presence, stuff like that. But best thing would be to post your stuff on your own website first, and then basically paste the stuff again in your Facebook profile. So that way you get sort of two entry points, if you like, potential entry points where people can see your content, okay. People can see your content through your website, also people can see content through Facebook. So that's even better, right? So yeah, you have full control over your website, with regards to content, whatever that you publish and all that, okay. And also much more benefits you get by having your own website. These are just some of the main benefits that I just went through, okay. So it's very important to have your website. If you want to learn about the importance of having your own website and how you can get your website, you can, I'll put a link, as I said, in the description of this video, and you can check it out, okay. Number 4, make sure to have a professional looking website and funnels, okay. This extending on to the previous point that I made about having a website, but it has to be, can't just be an amateur website. It has to be professional looking, visual looking website. And obviously any pages, marketing pages, they all have to be looking professional and nice and everything, okay, so that it doesn't look amateur. And this is very important for building trust. When people see you that you have a professional design website, visual looking websites and funnels, then people's trust builds up a little more towards you, okay. And these days it's quite easy to get nice professional websites and funnels thanks to website and web page builders such as WordPress, ClickFunnels. I mean, I'm using those two, WordPress for my affiliateship.com website, and also using ClickFunnels for building my marketing pages, because you can create within minutes beautiful looking web pages and websites, okay, with these two pieces of software. So number 5 is create useful quality content. So in affiliate marketing, one of the biggest benefits is that you don't have to purchase and stock any inventory, product inventory and shipping and all that inconvenience, activities, right? However, there's one regular activity that if you do on a regular, consistent basis, that it can help you greatly in building trust, okay? And that one activity is to create content, great, useful, and quality content on a consistent basis. Creating content in affiliate marketing is one of those tasks that you need to get to grips with, get used to doing, make a habit of it, and in disciplined manner, because it's one way that you can provide massive value to your audience, okay? And when you provide that great value content, massive value consistently, your audience will trust you, definitely should trust you, okay, every time and more, okay? They build their trust levels, with the content that they read, the value that they receive from, what you provide. Number 6 is provide your full contact detail, okay? So your audience will feel good knowing that you have real contact details published, on your website, for example, on some of your pages, on your, and they can contact you for any inquiries, okay? If you're starting out and working from home, you may not want to publish your home address, for example, so that, there is alternative ways to use a virtual office address, okay? Which only cost, probably cost a few dollars a month, but here in the UK, it just costs a few pounds a month. Okay, so number 7 is provide your phone number. Again, it's all about providing your contact number. Phone number is a great trust builder, as it shows that you're willing to talk to customers in person and provide that personal experience. And to protect your privacy, again, you do not have to use your personal number. You can use virtual numbers. You can get apps that have virtual numbers. On the websites, if you go online and Google it, you can get loads of virtual numbers facilities, and these are special, unique numbers that divert all the calls that you receive to your personal number, so that no one can see your personal number, and you can switch it on and off when you want to. Just keep it on during office hours, and then switch it off when you go home. You're not doing any work, for example. Okay, you can switch it off. So that's having your phone number. Okay. Number 8 is create a brand. Okay, so do you want to be the same as hundreds of thousands of other affiliates, or do you want to be unique and have your own identity and establishment in the world? Okay, having a brand can convey credibility, which is part of your trust building work. It doesn't matter what you sell today or tomorrow, people will likely to remember you as a brand, but you have to build that brand in a way that is remembered, for keywords such as trusted, credible, authentic, and value driven. Okay, branding also can increase the value of your business. The bottom line is, if you want to build a solid, authentic affiliate marketing business that you want people to trust, create your brand. Okay, so when you build your brand the right way, incorporating these trust building elements, then generating sales will be much more easier and with less effort. Your audience will have learn the great values that will learn the great value that you stand for and abide by, so they are likely to have more trust in you. Okay, if you can do all the above and do it well, another big benefit will develop itself as a kind of offspring, okay, which is your affiliate marketing can increase in value. People will see your business as a valuable business. Okay, if you want to learn more about how to create your brand, again, I'll put a link in the description where you can go for all the links. Okay, so that's end of part 1. We're going to do part 2 next. Okay.